Welcome to Emilac Online Tutorial. Before us is this question in simple machine that says a 20 kilogram mass is to be pulled up a slope inclined at 30 degrees to the horizontal. Now, if the efficiency of the plane is 75%, the force required to pull the load up the plane is, and we are given that acceleration due to gravity is 10 meters per second. All right. Now let us start by writing out the parameters. And by writing out the parameters here, we are given that the mass equals 20 kilograms, and inclined plane, that is the angle, we have 30 degrees, and the efficiency is given as 75%, and we are asked to find the force required to pull the load, which means that is the effort. Let me put it like this. Okay, now, and our efficiency we know is given as mechanical advantage over velocity ratio times 100. Okay, right. Now for us to get the velocity ratio here, now what we just need to do, now for us to get the load here, now the load now will now be the weight of the object to be pulled. So the load here will now be 20 kilogram times 10, which is what, 200 Newton. Okay, now the first effort is what I'm looking for. Now the velocity ratio, now since it's actually an inclined plane, now the velocity ratio will now be 1 over sine theta, which is 1 over sine 30, and sine 30 is 0 over 5. So this will now give us 1 over 0 over 5. Okay, and 1 over 0 over 5, this will also implies this 1 over 5 over, which will now give us 10 over 5, which will give us what, 2. Okay, alright, the velocity ratio is 2. Okay, so what else do we do? Now we've gotten our velocity ratio, now we've gotten our load, now we're looking for our effort, and efficiency here is 75%. So here we can now say 75%, that is 75 over 100. Yeah, mechanical advantage, that will be load. Our load is what, 200 over effort over 2. Alright, let us recall. Sorry, let me just probably put this down here. The mechanical advantage equals to load over what, effort, and that is what I've actually translated here. So alright, this 100, there's no need of me putting out since I've implemented the percentage here. Alright, so here we have, it will be 0.75, because 75 divided by 100 should give us this. Okay, then which will give us now this is actually being divided by this, so here you have 200 over E now divided by 2, which will also give us 0.75 equals 200 over E times 1 over 2, that's the reciprocal of 2, because we are changing this sign to multiplication. So 2 here, 1, 2 here, 100. So we're left with what, 0.75 equals to 100 over E. Alright, so here we can just cross multiply. By cross multiplying, we actually have that E equals 100 over 0.75. Okay, so, and this is something I say 100 over 75 over 100. Alright, because I just want to use calculator, so here you can proceed further. This is something I say 100 times changing this, you have what? 100 over 75. Okay, all right. 5 here, 1, remember 2, 5, then 5 here, 20, then 5 here, 3, 5 here, 4, then 3 here, 1. Now 3 in 4 here should give us 1.333 continuous. So here you have 1.33 times 100. Now this will give us 1, 2. So our effort will now be 133.3 Newton. Final answer. Alright, if you love what I've just done, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of all my videos in physics, chemistry and mathematics. Thank you and God bless you.